Hey guys, it's Erica and I am back yet again with another unboxing. So these two plants I ordered off of Etsy in a video from the plant farm. How cute is that they have on their box? So I ordered from the plant farm on Etsy. I had never previously ordered from them before, but a few of you in the comments said that you had and you really enjoyed it and it was an overall really good experience. So I'm really, I feel like I always am really excited to open up plants, but yeah, I'm very excited. So I ordered two plants. One of them was a little Hoya retusa plug, just a little plug for me to plant in a little pot, and an Anthurium radiatum, I don't know how to pronounce it, pedatoradiatum, I don't know how to say it, but it's like a little finger. It said something about fingers, finger anthurium. That one was a 4-inch, so I have two little plants in here, and I already kind of cut open. Oh, here we go. There is soil. Ooh. It's a little Tradescantia. That is so cute. It says Spokane plantfarm.com, so that's really cute. And my invoice here. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, this is so, sorry. This is so fancy. Oh my gosh, look, it has how to unbox your new plant. That is so cute. Wow. Okay, so first one, unpacking. Unwrap the plant. If your plant is a plug, set it in water for around 2 hours. Oh, okay. I'm glad that I read these directions, and I'm gonna have water ready for the plant. Let me get some water. Okay, this is one of my plant's little cache pot. I just put a little bit of water in here. I'm pretty sure it's too big for the plug, but that's why I filled it with a little bit of water instead of the whole thing. So I have that now. Let's see what's next on the instructions. I love these instructions. This is quality paper too. It's like the shiny, thick paper. Okay. If your plant has a cutting, see below. I didn't get a cutting, just a plug. Is a plug a cutting? Okay, no, it said if your plant is a plug, set it in water for around 2 hours, then plant the plug in new soil. So I guess that's what the directions that I'm following. I don't know if both plants are in here, but this is how it was wrapped. Really cute. This looks like a kind of like a candy basket. You know what I'm talking about? Like those little gift baskets that have like muffins inside. Honestly, I've never seen one in person. Maybe I have, like at a raffle. Yeah, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So let's see. This one is gonna be the... Okay, yeah. So I guess the plants are coming separately. Maybe not. Or maybe they're both in here. Why am I so confused? Okay, yeah, they're both in here. Boop. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is such a nice stake. Let me get... Oh, it's taped. Let me cut the tape off. I don't have scissors. Why am I not prepared? Well, I'm gonna try and untape it then. You know, when you're stubborn and you didn't get scissors, so you're like, I'm gonna do this without scissors, and then like it takes forever to do it without scissors, and it's like, wow, I would have saved like so much more time to do it by getting scissors than to try and do it without the scissors. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I did it. I did it without scissors. This is my little Hoya retusa, so I'm going to take it out carefully. There we go. And I think I'm just gonna put him in water with the soil. Okay, I ended up needing scissors anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off the tape covering it. Ooh, there we go. A little plant in its plastic bag. And I'm going to take it out carefully. These roots look so good and so healthy. And then it says, after you put it in water, you plant the plug-in new soil. So I'm just assuming that putting it in water is kind of to help the old soil kind of loosen up and to give the plant some hydration. So there it is. Oh, it would look so cute in this bowl. Should I just steal this bowl from the plant that was already in it? Oh, I love it already. This is such a cool looking Hoya. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit for 2 hours. I'm setting a timer so I don't underdo it. I'm gonna get too excited and start potting it up in like 30 minutes. There we go. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. And this is my very first Anthurium. Here it is. So it has a little rubber band on it. I'm gonna cut the rubber band off. And then cut. I don't want the plant to be upset with me. There we go. And take off this covering. It has a little name tag. I love these textured, like the texture of these leaves is just so good. I cannot wait till it starts getting like its little finger looking leaves. I love this plant. It's so pretty. And it has the little label on it, which I also am a really big fan of. I am super happy with my purchase. This plant looks so healthy and so good. Yes, I am so happy to have my first Anthurium. Ah. Okay, so it says, place your plant in a suitable place away from heaters and not too close to a window. And then for transitioning, set your plant in a brightly lit spot. Will do. If the soil is dry, add water until it drains through the bottom of the soil. So I'm gonna water this Anthurium over here, this beautiful, gorgeous Anthurium. I'll keep it underneath the grow lights in the humidified room. And then for my Hoya, I think I'll put it kind of a little farther back from a west-facing window. And I'll have to pot that little boy up. So let's see. Before you're repotting, let your plant rest for 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, good. So I'm gonna leave him in his pot probably for a while. Yeah, I think he'll be fine in here. I don't think he has any roots sticking out. Okay, perfect. So those are the directions that apply to me. So I'm gonna water this little fella all the way through, and since it's been raining quite a bit, I have been collecting rainwater, so I'm gonna water it with rainwater, and I think that it's gonna appreciate that. The rainwater will be good. I think I'll finish this little guy up in this video. So he's just soaking up some water, some good water for 2 hours, and then I'll repot him. Let me clean up a little bit, and then we'll be right back. So I went ahead and didn't pot up. I watered the the Anthurium with some good rainwater, and this guy is still soaking. He has quite a while to go before he can be potted. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the order, or refresh your memory if you already watched the other video. But these plants took 4 days to get here, and as you can see, they look really good. So there was pretty much no damage in shipping, and the Hoya was $14.99. And the Anthurium was $19.99. So both of these plants are pretty small. They're like 4-inch plants. I think the Hoya is pretty much the same size as the Anthurium. So I like small plants because it gives me more space for like more amounts of plants, if that makes sense. I like having small plants so I can fit more plants in my house. And they're also cheaper, and they will grow. I'm not sure how fast either of these grows. I'm not expecting the Hoya to grow really fast, and I don't know about how fast the Anthurium will grow. Like I've been saying, it's my first Anthurium, and I'm really stoked about it. Okay, so the Hoya has officially been soaking for exactly 2 hours, and it's time to pot it. I have 2 pot options here, and this is pretty much like a half sized 4-inch pot, and I kind of want to use this one because I think Hoyas like to be root bound. And this is a really cute pot. I don't know what other kind of plant I would put in here. I feel like Hoya is a good option. And then this is just a regular, is this a 4-inch pot? I think it is. And then just a regular size 4-inch pot. I don't know which one to use. I think I'm gonna use this one because I would be fine putting it in this pot. You know, I feel like this pot would be a good size, and these are pretty much like the same size anyways. So I'm really excited to finally get to use this. It's just so cute. I found it at the thrift store, and it was originally for a rose. It was from Green Thumb, actually. They're $5 each, and at the thrift store, I got all 3 of them in a bundle like this for, I think, $2 or $3. So I'm gonna use this pot, and if worse comes to worse, I can just repot it again later. This is the soil mix that I am going to use. I made it a long time ago for a different Hoya that I had. So since this is a Hoya also, I feel like it's a good soil mix to use. How tall is this baby? There he is. He's been soaking it up. This is how it looks. It looks so good in my opinion, so I'm really happy that I used this smaller pot. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I absolutely love this. This looks amazing, and I don't think I need to water it. We're going back to the instructions. I don't think I need to water it again since it was already soaking. Yeah, it doesn't say that I need to water it. So I am not going to water it. Its roots already soaked up the water, so the only thing that that the water would be good for is to kind of like settle the soil. But I am so happy with this purchase. This is the cutest ever. I love how it looks with its kind of like flattened leaves. It looks like I can't think of a ripsalis. It kind of looks like a ripsalis. I just really love this plant. It looks so cute. So cute. I'm so happy that I bought it. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love my 2 plants. I love them so much. They look really good. And yeah, if you were thinking about buying from the plant farm, they're great. They send healthy plants that look really good. They send very detailed instructions, so you can't really go wrong. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!